Hi, this is Tristan Rivers, and this is my banking system app developed for interaction development in 2020 at OpenWindow. This app was developed in Kotlin, so the language used for coding it was Kotlin, and the front end is using TornadoFX, which is, as I understand it, a fork of JavaFX, or it uses a lot of JavaFX functionality, but it wraps it in a more type-safe facility. Alright, so the app is split up into two sections down the middle. So the section on the left is our client, and the section on the right is a detail section. So you can think of it as an item detail view. So when I click on these items on the left, you'll see that the data is updated on the right. So we got Paul Pogba over here with his ID number. If I wanted to edit that, I can edit it, and you can see that everything gets updated. This functionality works for both name and ID number. So if I gave him an ID number of 5, save that, you'll see ID number is 5. Let's just give him a totally random ID number, make it the correct length. Perfect. In this system on the left, you can filter through different people. So let's say I wanted to search for Vardy. I can also search by small amount, and I can search by letters, so everybody has an A in their name. If I search for an E, only 2 people have a E in their name. I can also clear that filter, and I can search by ID number. So let me filter that, and you'll see 510 is in these 3. Okay, so here's adding a customer. So if I were to add a customer, I would add Anthony Martial. Let's give him a ID number. There we go. Oops, one too many. Go ahead and save that. You can see that he doesn't have any accounts. If I click through the other guys, they have accounts. I can go ahead and add one for Anthony Martial. So I'll add a diamond check with 500 in it. With this account, I have functionality down here. I can deposit. So let me deposit another 500, and you'll see an alert comes up on the other window. Successfully deposit 500 Rand, and if I want to withdraw 200, I can accept that, and it successfully withdraws 200 Rand. Note that the app does take into account the different account types, so it does take into account that you have free transfers per month. It does take into account the amount that you get, amount of interest that you generate, and that is all handled by this button down here. So I can generate monthly interest, and on each of these accounts, well, the accounts that are valid, you'll see that interest is generated, and it also resets your monthly free deposits. Alright, so I can also transfer money. So I can transfer, let's say, 52, 500, accept, and you'll see, there we go, it has transferred 500 Rand. If I wanted to change between accounts, I can see this is account ID 31 with a balance of 30,000. I can then transfer into 31 4,000. Let's see if that works. There we go, 34,000 now. So that's basically all the functionality of my app. Just one thing that I didn't show is that I can delete an account. So I can go ahead, delete Jamie Vardy, and there he is. It's not there anymore. Everything is totally automatic, and it fits all of the design specs of the brief. Thank you very much. This was the banking system by Tristan Rivers.